Nikola Tesla, father of alternating current, designed the Tesla coil in 1899. That can generate over 1 million volts, disturbing the insulation of air and creating interference to produce a lightning-like effect in the process. And a physics phenomenon is known as torsion field.
In physics we've learned in school there are 4 forces: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong and weak interactions. We think crystal aura also has some force, but it's not any one of those 4 forces. Could it possibly be the 5th?
What is a torsion field? It's what we often referred to as chi, or aura, an aura from a physics perspective. With the progress of modern technology, feng shui becomes a superstition to people. It's in fact another form of aura, and it's closely connected to every aspect of our life. Experience the Aqive Torsion Field Generator and unlock the power of subtle energy for a balanced life.